Today's feature is hard and soft boiled eggs, and the soft boiled are my new obsession. For the stovetop, you're going to bring a large saucepan of water to a boil and lower the eggs into the water. Cook for 6.5 minutes for soft boiled and 11 minutes for hard boiled. For my InstantPot lovers out there, add 1 cup of water to the inner pot, place in your steam rack and add the eggs. Set the timer for 4 minutes for soft and 8 minutes for hard boiled. When it's done, quick release the steam and remove the eggs. Another method would be to prepare them in the oven. Place 1 egg in each cup in a muffin tin, and you're gonna bake them for 26 minutes for soft boiled and 30 minutes for hard boiled. After each method, you'll need a large bowl of ice water to place the cooked eggs in. This stops the cooking process and it makes for an easier peel.